Hi guys, today we were in Toy World and also we got this brand new Puppycorns bubble. And so today we're going to be reviewing it. So we got so many cool things. So let's see which kind of pocket corn we got. Oh, we got this blue kind of thing. It's like this kind of corn. So it's so cool. It's so cool so much. It even comes with an adoption certificate to certify it. It says this is to certify that. So we also got some stickers. Sticker. And this is a blue puppy. It's not my one, but it's a different one.
That's a husky.
Probably I think it's this one that's running. See? And also, I think this one is like
Pussy.
this one. Aw, how cute. So we also got some slime. Let's open our slime.
Hooray.
No.
I think it's blue slime.
So we're gonna try open it and see what kind of slime we got.
You have to open it properly, Elena.
Okay. Wow.
It's pink. Actually, it's purple.
Let's see.
Open it more.
Wow. That's so cool.
I look at dribble.
No.
So cool.
See, looks like sticky boogers.
Yeah, sticky.
Even not allowed to touch it. And it's so sticky and cool. You guys better buy this. Oh god! Wow, that's sticky for sure. Let's collect all the slime up. Huge pile here. So sticky. Is there any more? Oh, there's heaps.
Done?
Yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.